Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Open University.
Hello dear student, have a nice day. Myself Kiran Patel, Assistant Professor in School of Computer Science of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Open University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Dear students, we are going to start with the course RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. In today's session, we will learn about the Block-3, Oracle Server and SQL, in which the Unit-1 is a structured query language. This is the fourth part of the Unit-1 in a Block-3. Now we will start with the Block-3. Unit-1 is a structured query language. First of all, we see the agenda of the Unit-1 is the learning objectives and outcomes, introduction, basic data types of the SQL, SQL statements, data definition statements, constraint, data manipulation statements, SQL operators, Oracle built-in function, SQL join, SQL queries, SQL views, SQL indexes, and SQL sequence. These all the topics are included in a SQL. After learning all these topics in Unit 1, Block 3, student will be able to getting the knowledge about the SQL, structured query language. Now, we will start with the select command. See, in the SQL select command syntax, select distinct, column name 1, column name 2 up to column n from table name, where condition. See, here the square bracket is optional. Now, after where condition, group by clause is write down. Now, after group by, having clause is there. After that, order by clause is used. The group by and having clause is used between where and order by clause. We have been already discussed up to order by clause in a previous session. Today, we are going to continue with the remaining topics like group by and having clause. See, the group by and having clause. See, the group by statement is used for organizing a similar data into the group. The data in the group with the help of the equivalent function means the group by is used to organize or to collect the similar data with the help of equivalent function. Particular function is used with the group by clause. The group by clause can only use with the aggregate functions. Aggregate functions like count, max, mean, sum, average. These all are the aggregate function which is used to group the result set by one or more columns. The group by clause is used with the select statement. In the query, write down the group by clause is the place after the where clause. We already see in the syntax. Select statement syntax, we already seen in the previous slide. See, the group by clause is placed after the where clause and before the order by clause. Now, see, the specially group by clause is used to collection of the similar data and having clause is used like a where clause. Having clause used with particular condition. Now, the next one is, see, the syntax of SQL group by and having clause. Select column names from table names, then where condition, then group by column names, having condition. The group by and having is used both together. Now, if you don't give the condition on the group by, then you can also use the group by individually. If you use the particular groups only, then having condition is used. The order by with the column names. Here, see, in the example, display the total orders for each salesman, or we can say the salesman wise total order. See how to write the commands. Select salesman number, comma, some function used, because we want to the total number of the orders. So sum in the bracket amount from orders. Orders is the table name. Then group by S number means salesman number. So the group by is the salesman number. Salesman number is grouping, and after that the total amount of the order is display. So this query is used to display salesman wise total order. Now, another example of the group by and having clause is that display the number of the customer in each country, or country wise total number of the customer. See how to write the command. Select country, comma, count. In the bracket customer ID from customer table, group by country. So here we see in the example customer table is there. Customer ID, customer first name, last name, age and country. Here we display the number of the customer in each country. So we write the select country, comma, count. The customer ID will be counted according to the country. So the group by country name or country is grouping according to the customer ID. The total number, here the output is country wise total number of customer ID or total number of customer. So the total number of the customer find out using the count function, and then country wise group using the group by clause. See in the figure the output display the country wise total number of the customer. Now here we use the having clause. What is the use of having clause? Having clause is used with the group by clause to specify the condition, like select with the where condition. Having clause is used to display or specify the condition that filters the group created by the group by clause. Now, the having clause was added to the SQL because the where clause cannot be used with the aggregate function. Aggregate function like count, max, mean, sum, average use on the group by or a group of the data. This aggregate function we cannot use with the where condition. It is used with the having clause. So here all the aggregate function or a having clause is used with the group by. The group by is group all of the group of the data. but the having condition is filter the output of the group by clause. So the having clause must follow the group by clause in the query and must also precede the order by clause if we can use. See, the syntax of having clause. Select the column names from table names. Then where condition. Group by column names having condition. Always having clause is used with the condition which is apply on a group by clause. So the group by clause is used to group all the data which is similar, but the having clause is used to only some of the data. Then we can use the having clause. Having clause with the condition. Which type of the condition? Only that much groups is needed. So we needed that condition. Here order by column names. Last clause is the order by. Before order by we use the group by and having clause. Now see, in the example, display total orders of each salesman having more than single order. How to write the commands? Select salesman number, comma count in the bracket order number from orders. Group by salesman number. So here the salesman number is group and it counts the total number of the order. So salesman wise total number of order is displayed by the group by. We display only that much information which is more than 1. Here some mistake is there. The order number is placed in a S number. Now the next one is the another example of group by clause with the having clause. Write the SQL statement. List the record of each country having the less than 2 customers. Select country, comma, count in the bracket customer ID from customers and then group by country. And last one, the having condition. Count, having, count in the bracket customer ID less than 2. We want to the records of each country having less than 2 customer. So, see, in simple, which wise we want a record. We want a record which wise? Country wise. Okay. So we can write select with country. Select country. So country wise, the country is write down with the group by clause. And which one is count? Customer ID is count. Number of the customer. So count and then in the bracket customer ID. So we use the count aggregate function here. So having clause is used with the aggregate function and count customer ID less than 2. Write down the group by and having clause is very simple. See, the country is used with the group by and the count group by aggregate function. Count aggregate function is used with the having and you can give the condition as per your requirements. See the output. Here in the output, data is filter of the group by clause. In a group by clause, there was display all the country records, that is in a 3 records. But In having clause, the group by result will be filter and only those records are display which country having less than 2 customer, that is only single records. Here we complete this topic. At the end, thank you all. In next session, we will start with the remaining topics like SQL operators such as the arithmetic operators, character operators, comparison operators, range searching operators, pattern matching operators, logical operators, set operators, etc. If you understand this session and getting the knowledge from this session, then please subscribe the BAOUGujarat. And at the end, once again, thank you all. Thank you guys.
स्वाध्यायः